So today we're going to be demonstrating density dependent versus density independent factors using dominoes and a couple other tools. What we have here is a population that is considered to be very dense. The dominoes are very close to each other. And so let's see what happens when we throw this golf ball. You guys determine whether this is a density dependent or independent factor. So again, throwing this golf ball here. Okay, so that was the golf ball, and now I'm using the rolling pin. So let's determine whether this is a density dependent or independent factor. So these dominoes are more spread out or less dense. And again, let's see what happens when I throw the golf ball. And again, you guys determine whether this is a density independent versus dependent factor. Golf ball. And then now we have the rolling pin. So again, let's talk about that a little more. What we saw, domino close together, high density, far apart, less dense. The golf ball. Was the golf ball the density dependent factor or independent factor? That golf ball affected the dominoes when they were very close together, knocking a lot of them over, and that's when it's considered highly dense. And then the golf ball barely knocked any over when the dominoes were spaced out. The golf ball in this case would be the density dependent factor. And then the rolling pin, it knocked out everything regardless of how spaced out the dominoes were. So again, it took out everything. So that would be considered the density independent factor. Have a good one, y'all.